Good morning, class. Today we are working with chemical reactions. At this point, your jar should be yellow if you have been doing this correctly. And now blue. And finally, spontaneous combustion! Hello. Alright, moving on to the next topic, which is iron. The first thing you should know about iron is its atomic number is 26, its symbol is Fe, its atomic weight is 55.847, blah 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 blah.
This class is so boring. There's gotta be a better way to learn.
So you want to learn in a cooler way?
Yeah.
Let's go then.
What are you doing? Yeah. We're here. Okay, so the first thing you should know, the atomic number is 26, the atomic symbol is Fe, and the atomic weight is 55.847. Iron is a transition metal. It is located in group 8, period 4. Its most common isotopes are Fe with a mass of 54, Fe with a mass of 56, Fe with a mass of 57, and Fe with a mass of 58. Iron's most common ions are a positive charge of 3 and a positive charge of 2. Iron has been a known element since ancient times, so there's no known scientist of who actually discovered it. Iron derives its name from Anglo-Saxon iron. The symbol Fe is shortened from the Latin word ferrum, meaning firmness. Iron Age began around 1500 BC when Hittites of Asia Minor began to smelt iron ore and make iron tools. Iron is the active part of the hemoglobin molecule our bodies use to transport oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Iron metal was widely alloyed with other metals and carbon for multiple commercial uses. Iron is the fourth most abundant element in the Earth's crust. The Earth's core is believed to be comprised primarily of iron. Iron is found in the sun and other stars. Iron is an essential mineral for health, but too much iron is extremely toxic. The iron atom has 26 electrons, 26 protons, and 30 neutrons. Chemical properties. Pure iron is chemically reactive and corrodes rapidly, especially in moist air or at elevated temperatures. Iron will rust in damp air. Iron is known to exist in 4 distinct crystalline forms, and it dissolves readily in acids. Physical properties. Iron's melting point is 1536 degrees Celsius, with a boiling point of 2861 degrees Celsius. Iron's two major compounds are ferrous and ferric, which is bivalent iron and trivalent iron.